Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the active specification. So outside of the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. There's some great tech which includes blind spot detection and lane positioning assistance. There's an 8-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with the award-winning 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done less than 16,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.